Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my latest purchases from Erin Condren. So they recently released their new notebooks for the year, so each year they redesign them. I think they added new A5 notebooks as well as some leather bound notebooks, which is very exciting. I have like 30, probably like 20, but more than enough notebooks that I should from Erin Condren. So I was actually more excited for the other new arrivals that launched. So they did come out with a lot of new pens to go with the notebooks, as well as some office decor slash supplies that I actually purchased. So I'm very excited to share the two items that I did get with y'all. And of course, I will show y'all how I'm going to use them in my office. So first item is the new small mid-century circle acrylic desk organizer. So on the website and in the photos, I honestly thought this was going to be a lot larger than it is. I don't know why. I just expected it to be a lot bigger once I got it out of the box. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't this size. I also didn't look at the dimensions when I ordered it, but for dimensions, this is 6.125 inches in width, 5.5 inches in height, and 2.5 inches in depth. And then you have 4 different compartments to organize pens, highlighters, markers, pencils, notebooks, anything that you want to fit in here. Let's open this up. And then here is the organizer outside of the box. So it's acrylic. You have 4 rows. The top row is open, so you can put anything maybe like a little bit thicker up here. And then you have 3 additional compartments to organize whatever you would like. I will do a little test to show y'all what fits and how it looks, but I do want to share the other item that launched, which is the medium mid-sized century circle acrylic desk organizer. Again, thought it was going to be a lot bigger for some reason. All right, and then here it is out of the box. So the medium size compartment again has that mid-century circle base, and then you have 2 openings. So you have a larger compartment here that you can fit your life planner, your notebooks, your agendas, and again, we'll try things out. And then you have 3 different compartments that you can use for all of your writing tools. The bottom one you can also even use for sticky notes. I think I saw that in the preview, or like their stock images. You could use it that way. So you get 3 compartments here as opposed to the small where you get 4. And then you can actually use them together if you'd like and stack them this way. So here's what that looks like if you want to put them, you know, side by side, grab both, maybe use them for different reasons. So here's it this way as well. So yeah, I honestly don't know how I'm going to use them. I was really excited that I could store planners. I do think I'm going to put these on my planner cart. But before I do that, I just want to show y'all how different pens and markers fit in here, and different ways that you could use this. So these are my most used pen. These are the Uniball Signos, and I have a few of those. So this is 7 of the Uniball Signos, and I would say I would want to put them like in here. I have 2 of the Energel liquid gel pens. I only use these in my Erin Condren planners, or you can also put like accessories up here. So for instance, if I want to just put these down here, then I have my whiteout and I can store that right here. So that is how those look. And then we have some mild liners. So honestly, I would personally organize it. If you're only to get one, obviously you can just use them for the different types of categories, right? So put your mild liners in here, and then you have all of your pens and highlighters organized. But if you were to get both, then I think I'm not probably going to use it this way. I'm not 100% sure again yet, but I would probably do pens on this one and then maybe like markers and highlighters on this one. That way it's a little bit more organized. I also have my fine tip markers from Erin Condren. We'll put those in here. So yeah, that's how those look in there. And then I have some sticky notes from Cloth and Paper. They fit perfectly in here, so any average size sticky note would fit. And then let me take these out. Here is a 7x9 Erin Condren Life Planner and how it fits. So I'll also include other shots as well, just so y'all can get an idea of how it looks all the way around. And yeah, that is the new desk organizer. So I think these are, I really like these. I think they're a great way to organize your desk or your office. The medium mid-century circles acrylic desk organizer retails for $22, and then the small retails for $18. Of course, I'll have links below, and then I'll also share the link to all the new arrivals so y'all can take a look at those. I don't need any more pens or pencils or notebooks, so I just grabbed these. Anything like acrylic and mid-century circle that they come out with, y'all should already know I'm gonna buy them. So now let's find a place for these two in my office and figure out how I'm gonna use them. All right, so here is my storage planner cart, and I recently did an update. So here's an update to the update, because I did want to add these new items to my planner cart. So I was envisioning putting it up here. Now I think they're the perfect size. So I'm gonna grab the medium organizer, and oh, it's a perfect fit. So we're gonna put that right there. I probably won't be using the bottom one for notepads, but there's that. There's a room so I can store extra planners. So here is my new finance agenda video coming soon, and I can house that one right there. And then I can put different pens in there. So we have those. I have a few additional miscellaneous pens. I think I'll keep them in this organizer, and then I can save this for additional storage. And then we have this small organizer. So I put these here for right now, but I don't know, I'm not 100% in love with it. One, it's like uneven now that it's, you know, just one of those here, and then I have two things over here. And I don't want to get another one and put it here just because I won't have enough stuff to fill it up with. So I still need to figure out where I want to put it, but for now, I like the way it looks. The only thing is just that I don't like how, you know, uneven it is here, but I do love this. And so yeah, other than that, that is the new organizers from Erin Condren, and that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.